Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to make a rough sketch of the graph of each function, not using a calculator, just using the graphs given in figures 12 and 13, which we have right here, and if necessary, the transformations of section 1.3, which we learned earlier in the text. So for part A, we're asked to graph the function of y equals log base 10 of x plus 5. We're going to do that based off of this graph, which is y equals log base 10 of x. So if we're adding 5 to the function, then that means we're doing a shift. It is being done within the function, right? It's not a plus 5 on the outside, therefore it's a horizontal shift. And plus 5 means it is to the left. Minus 5 would have been to the right. So we have to move this over 5 units to the left. So this asymptote at x equals 0 becomes x equals negative 5. And this point 1, 0 becomes negative 4, 0. And other than that, the function looks relatively the same. Again, we're just getting a rough graph, so you have to get important points, asymptotes, and the general shape. In part B, we have y equals negative ln of x, which we're going to base off of y equals ln of x. This negative sign means we're doing a reflection. It being done outside of the function and not inside, it's not ln of negative x, means that it is across the x-axis. So we have to reflect this over the x-axis. So instead of going off to negative infinity as we approach 0, it's going to go off to positive infinity. The point 1, 0 is going to remain the same. We're reflecting across the x-axis, so any intersections with the x-axis remain the same. And there's only one, but that's okay because it's still helpful. And then it's going to go off to negative infinity instead of infinity as x goes to infinity. So just to recap the graphs that we have y equals log base 10 of x plus 5, and y equals negative ln of x.